Why can't we see God? There are two types of realities in the world that we are living in. There are some realities that we can see, hear, smell, touch, or taste. There are some other realities that we cannot see, nor can we perceive them through other sense perceptions. So, it all depends on what reality are we talking about. If a reality belongs to the category which can be perceived through any of the five senses that we have, then it will have to be observed through those senses. However, if a reality belongs to the second category, where it's unreasonable to demand that the reality should be observable, you can see it, then it would be a wrong question, unreasonable question, to ask for it to be seen. For example, we know that gravity is a reality. We cannot see gravity, but we can see things happening in this world which lead us to believe that there has to be gravity. After all, why is it that objects that are thrown upwards, they come down? Has to be some pulling force in this world, earth of ours, which causes objects to come towards it. Likewise, if you say, for example, about an individual that he or she is intelligent, then obviously it would be an unintelligent, stupid question to ask, where exactly can I see intelligence? In the form of something that I can view with my eyes. Obviously, intelligence is something that you infer from the statements, the decisions, the behavior of an intelligent person. Likewise is the case with love. Parents love their children, but not because there is something called love that you can see on the faces or in the pockets of the parents, etc. But it's their behavior. It's a combination of a number of factors which are actually pointing towards the possibility that deep down they have this compassion, love for their kids, for their children. Likewise is the case with God. God in this life is not observable. However, we can see God. We can see God in the way He has created this world. The kind of facilities that He has provided us with. We as humans needed lots of different forms of food, for example, drinks. We needed air to breathe in order for us to survive, in order for us to continue to live. And He has provided us with them. Likewise, there are so many other things that we see in this world which point to the reality that there is somebody who is strong and in control, is somebody who is providing us with what we need. There is somebody who is kind in providing us with a life which we didn't deserve. There's somebody who is planning everything, and that somebody is God. The fact that we can't see Him is not a reason for us to say that He's not there. It would be unreasonable to demand that we should see God first and then to accept and believe in Him.